Hello everyone, this is Ben with Launch Kits, and you probably know us because we build websites. We've built over 1,850 websites, and we have over 300 five-star reviews in Google. But I want to tell you about a service that we provide that not a lot of people know about, but more and more people are starting to take advantage of, and that's our press release services. So we will actually write and send your press release to be distributed to over 250 major news networks. So it's great press for your business or website, but it's also great for SEO and driving traffic to your site. So if you go to our website, launchkits.com, right now we actually have a banner at the top of the page. So you click on launchkits.com/orders/press release, and you're going to see all these different bonuses that come with a press release, promoting your business to major networks, getting visibility through SEO and AI discoverability, get a full distribution report, and it's one simple price of $2.99. Let me dive into a little bit of the distribution report, what that looks like, and why you might consider a press release. So this was one of our clients, Kinsman Lawn. So we titled this press release, Kinsman Lawn expands services to its growing lawn care business, because they were growing and they had just added a new service to their business. So we wrote that up for them, put in some quotes, and this was sent out to all over the web. You can see it was all over Google News. It showed up in AP News. Down here it was listed in all the different major news platforms, as well as more kind of niche, industry-specific news networks. Here's some examples. This is what it looks like in Google News, all the places where it showed up. Here's the press release in AP News, a nationally recognized news network. And here's some more niche spots it got, Harrisburg Daily Digest, and then growing businesses in the news. And this is not just us that's kind of recognizing the value of press releases. Sterling Sky is a leading voice in local SEO, and they actually put out an article at the end of last year saying, do press releases help with SEO? They tested them, and for instance, specifically for a lawn care business, they said even the day after the press release, the rankings and traffic to the site did much better. In addition, the company actually started showing up in the AI overviews for the keywords that they wanted to rank for. So we're just seeing, not only are other people seeing really good results, we're seeing good results for our clients. So if you'd like to order a press release, it's as simple as just going to launchkits.com. You can click on our link here, or just launchkits.com/orders/press release. You can fill out the form at the bottom of the page, and that'll get you started.